children, welcome back to our part 2 video in which today we are going to do our notebook exercise. So as you all know that today we are doing chapter number 7 in EVS, that is about our clothes. Okay, so in the first video I hope you all have understood the chapter because I have given you this video in a very attractive way so that it will be very easy for you all to understand. Okay, so I want you all to understand this video very carefully, this chapter very carefully, and then after watching the first part of today's video, I hope you will be getting all the answers correct and you are ready for your exercise work. Okay, notebook exercise work. So first of all, children, I hope you all are ready with your EVS notebook with you all. Okay, so as I tell you every time to take out a new page in your EVS notebook. Okay, and first of all, children, I will show you all the previous work which we have done last week also. So as you all know that we are doing chapter number 7, so it's here. We have started this chapter from 6th of July and our assignment for 7.1 was of missing letters, in which I have given you 10 hard words, new words of this chapter, and you have to learn these thoroughly as they can come as they will definitely come in your exams as missing letters. Okay, then comes your next exercise, that is B part of fill in the blanks, assignment number 7.2 of this chapter, in which again there are 6 fill in the blanks, and I hope you all have started learning also and you all have completed this in your notebooks. And then comes your third exercise that we have done on 9th of July, and the assignment was 7.3, and we have done part C of true false, and in which there were 6 true false, and we have completed all these 6 true false. I have explained it to you and I have explained each and every word of this exercise very clearly to you all. And then comes our next exercise which we have done on 10th of July, which was of give one word. So this was our 7.4 number assignment. Okay, and this was the fourth exercise of give one word, in which we have done 4 sentences, we have done 4 give one word answers. Okay, and lastly we have done part E, that was the 5th part of this chapter, which is match the following. So I hope you all have understood this chapter till here and you all have completed your chapter till here. Now it's turn for a new exercise which we are going to do today. Is that clear? So as you all know that first of all we write down the date on which we are doing this work. So today is 13/7/2021. We will write down this date today. Then in the first line you will give the heading of your chapter with its number, as we all do every time. Then in the next line you will give the heading of assignment number, that is we are going to do 7.5 assignment today. And then in the third line you will give the heading of part F, okay, which we are going to do, and the exercise name which we are going to do is give 2 examples of each. Okay, so here in this what you have to do, there are some sentences given and 2 blanks are given with each sentence. You have to read this sentence carefully and you have to make out that for this sentence, for this particular sentence, what are the 2 examples which we can write here. Is that clear to you all? So I hope you will do this exercise very nicely, and don't worry children, first of all I am going to explain it to you very clearly. I will read this sentence, I will explain it to you, and then I will explain you the answers also. Is that clear? So are you all ready children? Very good. So let's get started. First sentence is clothes that we wear in summer season. Now हमें यहाँ पे 2 clothes के नाम, 2 examples means two examples यहाँ पे हमें देने हैं. तो यहाँ हमने क्या पूछा है कि समर सीजन में हम कौन से क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमें 2 एग्जाम्पल्स देना है. यू विल नॉट राइट कॉटन क्लोथ्स बट यू विल राइट द नेम्स ऑफ पर्टिकुलर क्लोथ्स. ओके, एज आई हैव शोन यू इन द picture also in the first video. So like that you have to write. Okay, so through that video what have you understood? That during summer season which type of clothes we wear cotton clothes, and cotton clothes की category में कैसे कैसे clothes आते हैं, you have to write down their names. Okay, so the first name will be your shirts. Okay, we wear shirts, so you will write shirts, shirts. Okay, first example is shirts. Then second example will be shorts, shorts, shorts. Okay, first example shirts, we wear cotton shirts. Okay, cotton shirts हम लोग पहनते हैं गर्मियों में, summers में. And then shorts जो हम पहनते हैं, boys पहनते हैं shorts to keep them cool and dry during these cool and comfortable during these summer season. Okay, now coming to the second part, that is clothes that we wear in winter season. Now अब हम winter season में कौन से clothes पहनते हैं, हमें उनके 2 examples देने हैं. So first one will be your gloves, gloves, gloves. Okay, and the next example is of jackets, jackets, jackets. Now children, one more thing for this exercise, I am giving you these 2 examples. Okay, whatever examples I am giving you, if you want to change the examples, okay, instead of in the first sentence, you see for summer clothes, if you want if you don't want to write shirts and shorts, then you can write any other 2. Okay, like you can write skirts and frocks. Okay, whatever you want to make changes here, you can write, but it should be genuine and it should be related to that particular season only. Okay, then comes your winter season, so we wear mufflers also, so you can write mufflers, you can write pants, or you can write jeans, or you can write jackets. Okay, I have given jackets here, so whatever you think you is easy for you to learn, you can write those names here. Is that clear? Now coming to the third part, 2 things that we use during rain. Now here we have to write the names of those 2 things that we use during the rain or in monsoon season. So during monsoon, what do we use? One is umbrella, second is you can write raincoat also, or you can write gum boots also. So out of 3 you can write any 2. Okay, so here I am writing first is umbrella, 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 and the second example here I am going to write is gum boots, gum boots, boots, gum boots. Is that clear to you all? I hope you all are getting this very clearly. Now coming to the fourth part, that is 2 special occasions. Now here you have to write down the 2 examples of special occasions. Special occasions कौन से होते हैं? Very easy, you all know. One is festivals, other is weddings, and other is birthday parties. Okay, so any 2 you can write here. Is that clear? Children, here I am going to write the first example which I am going to write is festivals, 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 and the other example for special occasion I will be writing here is weddings. Okay, weddings, weddings. Okay, if you want to write any other 2, you can write that also, but it should be correct. Okay, now coming to the last part of this exercise, that is the 5th part, 2 people who wear special uniforms. Now except school uniform, there are some special uniforms also which we have learnt. So you have to name you have to give here 2 names of those people who wear special uniforms. Okay, so who are those people? You can write doctors, nurses, postmen, soldiers, or lawyers. Any out of 5 you can write any 2 here. So I am going to write first one I am going to write here is doctors, and the second here one I will be writing here soldiers. Children, our first example which I am going to write here is doctors, 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 and the second example which I am going to write here for special uniforms will be soldiers, solders, soldiers. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this exercise. Once again I am repeating. Listen to it carefully. Here we have to give two examples of each sentence. Okay. So the first one is clothes that we wear in summer season. One is shirts and the other is shorts. Okay. Second sentence is clothes that we wear in winter season. So I have written here gloves and jackets. Then the third is two things that we use during rain ke time pe. So that is umbrella and gum boots. Next is two special occasions. So what are the two special occasions? One is festivals and other is weddings. Then the last part, fifth part, is two people who wear special uniforms. So one is doctors and other is soldiers. So I hope this is clear to you all children, and once again I am repeating that when you are writing these two examples, if you think that any example is difficult for you all to learn or you cannot keep in your mind, so then you can change these examples and you can write any two, but you have to keep in mind that your answer should be correct according to the questions. Is that clear to you all? So that is all for today children. Till my next video, I want you all to complete this exercise. Bye bye.